Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix we can't open file you don't have permission to access this file error in Windows Media Player. Right-click File, click Properties. Click Security tab, click Advanced. Add everyone. Click Enable Inheritance. Add everyone. Check all allow. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.